what's up, guys? It is your boy, Stock the Gaming 91, okay, Dylan Huffy. Oh no, I just said my last name. Yeah. But yes, you're probably wondering, huh? Look at that. I remember raining vlogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here's number 5 for you. The bug is floating. Oh, it's actually on a spider web. Earlier I was trying to do a running vlog, but it never really made out. It was basically the same thing, but cut off on me because of my storage. I have a lot of storage, so my videos are usually short. But today, it was windy, or Bradford pears were. That's not Bradford pear. Well, demonstration like that. Not many things was happening, but anyhow, me and my mom and Wyatt, my dad, we're working down here. But, yeah, pretty much nothing's happened, except it's just raining a little bit. Well, nothing's really going on right now, just raining a little bit. Can't try to film it, but it's really dark back towards that way. But anyways, nothing really exciting happening. Sorry that haven't come out with videos a lot this week, but